Happy Monday, everybody. So, if you've seen my post from earlier today, you'll already know that I flippin' love Mondays. But what makes Mondays better? Amazing deliveries. I'm a bit excited. If you guys have been following me, you know that my blender broke a little while ago and I'm so excited to get my new blender. And look what arrived! The big box. Yeah, so I'll pull it out and I'll show you. I'm really excited. So this is what I got. If you're in Australia or New Zealand, you would have probably seen it pop up in your ads and stuff a bit. It's a Froothie. I'm super excited about this. I have been, sorry, I put it back on me. I have been using a NutriBullet for a while now. My first one was a total lemon, and then the one I got replaced with hasn't lasted very long. Like, I use it every single day and I use it for everything. So it just has kind of fallen apart and the things the grinder, it's just grinding down and not working anymore. So I was trying to find a really high powered, that's right, darling, a high powered blender. And I did a lot of research before I bought, and I've talked to a lot of people that have this one and they say it's amazing. So I'm super excited. And what's better yet? Okay, so because of the whole COVID thing, most companies, obviously shipping and everything has been really bad. Their communication, I just have to say, in their customer service is phenomenal. And they gave me a free jug just for being patient. How amazing is that? I love it. Anyway, I will tag them in here so that if you want to have a look at all of their products and stuff, please do. Also, are you interested in me doing a bit of a product review? Because I've never done that before, but considering I am so excited about this, I think I'd be happy to do one for this. So let me know down below if you want me to do a review.